Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial I will show you on how you can go ahead and follow someone in Roblox. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now you can go ahead and do these methods if you are using your iPhone device, Android device, or your Windows PC. First things first, you want to head over to the Roblox application, or if you're using your Windows computer, you can just go ahead and head over to the Roblox website. Once inside, you can then go ahead and click on a specific profile. So I have this friends right here, and just because I'm friends with these profiles doesn't mean that I'm already following them. So you want to go ahead and click on a specific profile, and once inside that profile, we can then go ahead and see that this specific user has 0 followers. Now to follow a user, you can just go ahead and click on the 3 lines right beside their profile, and from here you will be able to see the follow button. You want to click on this button and you will be able to follow that user. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.